What's going on, everybody? It's Brandon from VGod, and I'm here with Tim today, and we're thinking about doing a series on us reviewing some of our favorite pod systems that we like to vape on, considering we get a lot sent to us on the daily. Today we're vaping on a device called the Ceto by a company named Rincoe.
So this is a refillable pod system. It comes right out of the box. It's the battery and the pod. The pod has a 2 milliliter juice capacity. The coil on it's a 1.3 ohm coil. The battery has a 3.3 voltage output, and it has a micro USB side charging port.
Even though the device only comes with a 1.3 ohm coil head, it allows you to hit it both mouth to lung style or straight direct to lung hit. Tim has a 25 milligram salt nick in there while I'm vaping on a 50, so I'm more prone to mouth to lung it. He's able to draw that straight to his lungs, straight lung hit. No dry hits. That's great that you get one pod that is able to basically let you hit it both ways. That's always a plus with me. I've been a huge fan of the Soarin' Air, and this is very comparable to it. It's a lot smaller and it's got some weight to it, which is what I like. Battery life on this thing is phenomenal. It's got a LED indicator light on the side. If you pull out the pod and it blinks blue, that means it's fully charged. If it blinks red, that means it's below 70%. So basically just charge it for about 30 to 45 minutes at a time to an hour, depending on your preference if you're gonna be vaping it a lot. It lasts a very long time, which is a big plus in my book.
I noticed that there's on the side here, there's a little hole, and that's the side airflow. So if you're covering it, notice that you might accidentally cover it when you hit it. I think some people purposely cover for a harsher draw, to be honest. What I really do like about this is the magnets. They're actually really strong. Not used to that. So when you take it out, right out of the battery, it's super easy to fill. Get this little plastic piece. You just get your nail under there, pull it out. You gotta hold it to the side, and you refill. It's as simple as that. To purchase the Ceto in Summer Strawberry or any of our Salt Nick juices, head on over to saltnick.com by clicking the link right here or the link in our description. That's it for us, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Can't wait for you to tune into our next series. Like, subscribe, leave a comment what you want to see next, and that's all from us.